The Lexus ES is all new and marks the 7th generation of the Japanese nameplate's entry-level luxury 4-door. We're happy to report that the redesign brings some very welcome attributes, and the 2019 Lexus ES does everything you'd want an entry-level luxury vehicle to do. Performance, no matter which of the two drivetrain options you choose, is respectable. Interior comfort is on par with a restoration hardware sofa you'd spend real money on. Handling is communicative, and most important for a Lexus, it's serenely quiet inside. While these are great attributes, there are a few places we wish Lexus had spent more energy revamping.